Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off location on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to location. Okay, tap the location and location. Okay, the location is off. Okay, you can see the switch button on the right side. To enable or to turn on the location, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on. To turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is tap or switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the location of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but we have another option to turn off or on the location of your Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And okay, you can see here the location icon. Okay, tap the location icon to turn on the location of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off the location, you'll have to do is tap again the location icon. And that's it. We have successfully turned off. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the location of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.